In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable free shipping in WooCommerce. We'll walk through the exact settings you need inside WordPress so that your customers can see a free shipping option at checkout based on the rules you choose. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side menu and find WooCommerce. Hover your mouse over WooCommerce, and from the options that appear, click on Settings. This is where all your store-wide controls live. Inside the settings page, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Shipping. The shipping area lets you control which regions you ship to and what methods and prices apply in each one. Now, to set up free shipping, you'll need a shipping zone. Click the Add Zone button. This will open the shipping zone editor, where you define who this free shipping option applies to. In the editor, start by giving your shipping zone a clear name in the zone name field. For example, you might call it Free Shipping Domestic or Free Shipping Europe, depending on who you're targeting. This name is for your internal use, so make it descriptive enough that you'll recognize it later. Next, move to the Zone Regions field. Click into that field, and a drop-down will appear with a list of countries and regions. Select the countries or regions that should belong to this shipping zone. These are the locations where customers will see this particular free shipping option. Take a moment to double check you've included everything you need, because your rules only apply to the regions you choose here. Now look for the shipping methods area within this zone. Click the Add Shipping Method button. A pop-up window will appear asking you what kind of shipping method you'd like to add. From the list, choose Free Shipping, then click Continue. Wait for the pop-up to reload with the free shipping settings. Here, you can edit the title of the shipping method if you want to change how it appears to customers, such as free standard shipping. You can also set the requirement for when free shipping becomes available. You can leave it with no requirements, so it's always free for that zone. Or you can require a free shipping coupon, a minimum order amount, or coupon, or both, a minimum order amount and a coupon. Choose the option that matches your store's strategy. When you're happy with those settings, click Create and Save at the bottom right of the pop-up. Finally, back on the main shipping zone page, make sure you click Save Changes at the bottom left. This step is crucial. If you skip it, your new free shipping method won't be applied. And that's all you need to enable free shipping in WooCommerce for a specific zone.